This is how you stop Google from tracking your location and listening to your microphone. First, go to Google's main page, google.com, and then log in and select your picture on the upper right-hand corner and click on Manage Your Google Account. Then on the left-hand corner, you want to click on Data and Privacy and scroll down until you see History Settings. These are the two you're going to want to make sure are disabled: Web and App Activity and Location History. Just go in each one and disable them, and you're going to have to agree. So click Agree and Disable. Make sure both these boxes are unchecked. It's going to make you agree to each one that you uncheck. Go ahead and do it, and then it will be disabled. If you have any other methods or tips you'd like to share, feel free to drop them in the comments below. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for tuning in. Catch you later.